Welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to learn more about applying thickness to your geometry. Previously, we'd used the Thicken tool. In this lesson, we'll look at something a little different. I'm just dropping some geometry in model space. Now a circle. Let's select the line. Expand the Properties panel. Here's the thickness property. Let's enter a value, let's say 3, and press Enter to register. Let's set our visual style to realistic so we get a better picture of what this looks like. Select the circle, expand the Properties panel. Let's make it 4 units. Enter. Lastly, let's select the rectangle. Properties panel, thickness property, enter 2, press Enter. What I'm creating here are not surfaces. I'm merely adding thickness to my geometry. Let's expand the panel again. As you see, it remains a polyline, not a surface. Let's enter a value of 0, press Enter. And this concludes our tutorial about adding thickness to your geometry.